Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Valorant completely. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to first open, of course, our PC and then go into search bar and then search for add or remove programs. Once you search for that, you can click on open right here. And then all you have to do is to look for Valorant. So on the search apps, just type Valorant and then you will see it right here. Now, just click the three dots in this part and then you will see this uninstall. So all you have to do is to follow these steps and then your Valorant game will be deleted. After that, the next thing that we can do is to go into our search bar and then search for control panel and then click on open. Once you do that, in this part on the view by, change it into a category which is right here and then click on uninstall a program. After that, just look for Valorant. So once you see it, all you have to do is to right click on it and then you will also see uninstall right here. So all you have to do is to click on that and then Valorant will now be automatically deleted. Now, once you delete it, what we're going to do next is to go into our File Explorer. So on the search bar, just search for File Explorer right here and then click on open. After that, in this part, we're gonna go here on this PC and then click on Acer. After that, go to Program Files, and then just look for any Valorant files that you may see right here. After that, you can go on to the Program Files 86, which is also right here, and then just look for any Valorant files. And then once you see it, all you have to do is to delete it, and then after that, it will now be automatically deleted. Now, the last thing that we can do is to go into our search bar, and then search for Run, and then click on Open. After that, we're going to type app data and then click on enter. And then in this part, we're going to click on local. And then we're going to scroll down and then look for the Valorant files also, which is under Riot Games. So once you see Riot Games right there, all you have to do is to delete it. And then after that, once you do that, the last thing that we can do is to go into our recycle bin. Make sure that you empty it. After that, your Valorant will now be completely installed into your PC. So that is basically it.